Splurt. Sputter. No, I can't aim down far enough. Oh. I guess there was no point to empty the water. Oh, except I guess I came down here and broke that, which I couldn't do. I have Human Revolution, and I've kind of been wanting to try it lately. Probably because your glitch video reminded me that I have it. But I did like the first level of the first Deus Ex and didn't really like it for some reason. But I've also been wanting to give that another go. So I'll probably try them out properly soon. Honk. Anything else before I slide? Sliders! Oh, it's more browns. No, it's mud. It's more mud. Oh, I didn't want to... pardon me. No, the water isn't conveniently stopping. Ah! You move faster above water. There's probably a golden bolt down there or something. There might not be. Uh-oh. Go! Go! Oh, what? Where's my oxygen? Wagga blogger. Oh, I guess I can do that to speed along. Right, we better be ready. Go! 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 Oh look, the water isn't even here yet. Go! No! No! Shut up, you mouldy things. I think I made it. No, it's still going. Uh-oh. Well, I've done this pretty much flawlessly, so if I don't make it, that means the game is impossible. Okay. Good. What was the point of this? I don't know. Longest elevator in... oh. New Rise of the Triad should be interesting. Because I never... well... I did play Rise of the Triad a long time ago. But I was a stupid kid who only played with cheats. So many games I want to play or replay because I didn't properly. Right, we don't want that because we don't want to enlarge them. Ah, there we go. I have Dark Souls, but I haven't really got around to playing it properly yet.
Hey, press conference is over.
No!
Captain Quark don't want no more reporters bugging him in his trailer.
I'm not a reporter.
You see, my friend and I need to speak to the captain about a matter of galactic security.
You and your walking camera. You paparazzi make me sick. Now beat it.
But, sir, I'm sure the Captain Quark will understand once we...
Now, save it. I know how it works. You convince me to let you in. You snap a picture of the captain in his underpants. Then you sell a picture to the info tabloid for $1 million votes.
You've got it all wrong.
Meanwhile, I'm stuck here making 6 votes an hour, and I have to listen to a lecture from that cheapskate Quark.
What an anger.
You don't get in unless I get a kickback. In advance.
Oh, basically, since you're so big and chunky, you're basically another Moneybags. Well, I don't know about cries of pain,
You see how it
but
works.
crying
You
out,
grease the hinges,
yes.
the door opens.
Certain types of crying. Anyway, I don't know.
What's that? It's Ratchet Clank, Captain. You know, from the...
Oh, yes, I know who you are.
You do?
Yes, and thank the galaxy you found me.
Huh?
There's an awful plot being hatched to destroy our planet.
I know!
He knows. Great. Does that mean we can go hoverboarding now?
My friends, we're all in grave danger, and I believe that together we can put a stop to this madness.
Rainbow.
Together? You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent.
Me.
You are a true hero in the making.
Just because I'm playing
You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely.
on YouTube, yeah. Oh, I don't want that. Oh.
What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it
Hunger.
compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck? Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other.
No. It was funny the first time. Oh dear. This doesn't bode well. Uh-oh. No! Trollololololol. Shut up! My ears are dying. No! Oui. Monsieur. Right, that does it. No, why did you start working as soon as I ejected the disc, you piece of stuff? I hope this makes it work, otherwise I'm kinda doomed. And I'm gonna have to replay some. I think I'm dead. I think it's ruined. Oh no. Oh no. Right, back in a minute. I think this game auto saves at least, but I'm a bit worried. We'll find out. Uh-oh. Whoop, I'm back.
You mean you want our help?
Look, Ratchet, I've been keeping an eye on you. I've never seen anyone with such raw talent.
Yeah.
You are a true hero in the making.
Yeah.
You mean I could be famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this.
Ow. Shove it in my face. Don't glitch.
What makes one man toil in obscurity while another becomes a hero? Is it strength, compassion, determination, or just pure blind luck?
We didn't go to
Wise men through the
determination.
ages have struggled with that very question, but Captain Quark knows the secret. That's why he's been able to defeat more despots, rescue more damsels in distress, and save more civilizations than any other.
No! 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 Well, great. 666? 666. Great. Well, I don't know then. It's gonna mess up there every time. What am I gonna do? Oh, we're gonna try skipping the cutscene
You mean
as quick as possible.
famous?
Oh, absolutely. Oh, here, take this.
Start, select, X, triangle, quick, skip,
What makes one
skip.
man toil in
No,
obscurity while another becomes
No.
a hero?
Oh God.
Strength, compassion,
doomed.
determination, or just pure blind luck. Wise men through the ages have struggled with that very question. But Captain Quark
no,
knows
the finger in the hole.
That's why he's been able to defeat more
We don't wanna.
rescue more damsels in distress,
Uh.
and save more civilization.
No! Stop it! Stop!
Stop.
What the hell? That is not good. That's a terrible sound. What the hell? This is the weirdest. Ow! Stop! It's getting louder. Oh, right, I'm getting the other PlayStation out. No, I'm cleaning the disc first.